Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And oh my god, it is some beautiful goodness here today. This package is from Notiq. If you're interested in what's in this box, just stay tuned. But first, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit your post notification bell so you will never miss an upload. Let's get some scissors and get into this box. I was waiting on this box to come, and I ordered some extra stuff for my planner. Let's see if we can go ahead and get right into it. This is all about. It's packaged quite secure, so nothing will happen to what's in this box. Why don't we just go ahead and just pull that? Maybe that'll help. Now y'all are going to be able to see what's in this box for the first time, just like I am, and I waited with anticipation to get home so I can open it up. So here we go. Yeah, we love this wrapping paper. So let's get rid of this box. Let's throw that to the side. Let's see what's in here. Let's turn it over right quick. I don't want to give out no information that we don't have to. And oh, well, look at that. Let's throw that over there. Let's turn this way because handwritten letter is this way. So I'm gonna try my best to get this ribbon off of here without messing the bow because it says Notiq. So let's see. Let's just look at the back, how it's twisted in the back. Let's just check that out. And it says Notiq on each one of the ribbon sides. So let's see if I can get this off of here without messing up the ribbon. Voila, it worked. So now I can cut that and make that into a bow. Look at that. Let's put that to the side for a second. And let's open this. We're gonna talk about this later. Put that to the side. Let's open up this envelope. We always try our best not to tear up stuff, but it's inevitable because we are so excited. And it says, Dear Lady Deidre, thank you for the way you continuously support Notiq. I am beyond grateful for your graciousness and love. Enjoy your new lovely items and please remember to tag me. Warmly, BJ Founder. This just adds an extra touch to every order. It doesn't matter how many times I order, I still get a handwritten note. These are the week on 2-page inserts that I have been waiting for. Oh my God, I could not wait to get these. So now I can actually really get down and write some stuff and plan in my planner. So let's open this up. And I didn't know it had a cute little dashboard. I mean, well, I'm gonna call it a dashboard, but it's just a simple piece of regular paper, just like the other sheets. It's just on the other side. So, and it says, I will make this week meaningful. I'm gonna try my best to. Note to self. Note to self. And it has a few pages in here. And as you can see, I ordered 2 of them just so I can have enough for a little while. And then I ordered some of her black foiled stickers. This comes with 2 sheets. It says on the stickers, appointments, birthdays, brunch, coffee, date, day off, dinner, game, holiday, lunch, meeting, movie, party, payday, and priority. And it says a host of other things on here. So I have 4 sheets of her planner stickers. I don't know if it comes like that, but I have 4. And these beautiful paper clips, I had one that came with my order when I first ordered, and I fell in love with them, so I decided to order the pack of 6 so I can use them throughout my planner. And this is her new dashboard that I'm gonna proudly put in my planner. Isn't that lovely? Yeah, and it has grid paper on the back. Not that I'm gonna write on it. I might want to stick a nice picture on the back or something, but I like that it's her brand and it says Notiq right there. And you know what? It reminds you of a maze. Okay, we're gonna say this the maze of life. So once you get to the middle, hopefully you have succeeded in whatever dream you were trying to accomplish. We have that right there, which is the planner postcard. We have 4 sets of stickers. We have 2 sets of a week on 2 pages. We have some paper clips, well, some elegant paper clips, and this particular item is a scarf. On this beautiful scarf, it has a JOKOTADE. We're gonna not try to pronounce that and butcher the name. So as you can see, it has all the elegant, classy things that a classy woman would want to have in her life. So a teacup, macaroons, some beautiful perfume, a high heel shoe, some ballerina slippers, a pyramid, a beautiful purse, and it feels very silky. And this is what it looks like on this side. And her brand name is on here. That's on there. It's a beautiful scarf, and this is just elegant. I love it. It really shows a woman's personality. And what comes in here is a nice card. This paper is beautiful. You can actually put this in your planner if you wanted to. And it's an information pack with a picture of the founder and her story. I just love her presentation. Wow, what can I say? All I can say is wow. I am completely satisfied with my purchase today, and I hope that what I brought you today will make you decide that you want to grab something from Notiq. Like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, bye-bye, my divas. Bye-bye.